Did you know pugs have a hidden feature on their face that's packed with history and mystery? With their big, round eyes, wrinkled forehead, and squishy little snouts, pugs are one of the most recognizable breeds in the world. But those adorable wrinkles aren't just cute. They have a surprising origin that goes back centuries. Some think it's just their unique look that makes them popular. Others believe it's their clown-like personality and charm. But what's the real story behind that iconic face? Pugs were bred to have wrinkles that resemble Chinese characters, symbolizing good luck and fortune. In ancient China, these little dogs were considered royal companions, and their facial folds were seen as sacred symbols.